Hey happy homemakers, welcome to my cozy fall morning routine. Today I'll share how I motivate myself to be productive, my schedule of morning tasks, and a delicious fall breakfast recipe. A good morning begins with a dedicated bedtime. I try to go to sleep between 9 and 10. If I do, I can easily get up at 6 a.m. and have 2 hours before my toddlers wake up to get in some mommy time and prepare myself for a productive day. The first thing I do in the morning without fail is to make myself some coffee. Right now I'm loving espresso with a little bit of steamed almond milk and then a splash of this almond and oat milk hazelnut creamer. It's the most delicious almond milk latte I've ever had. With my coffee, I head back to my room in the space I like to call my morning quiet time corner. I like to keep everything I need, highlighters, journals, Bible, all together in my room and have this place to just sing some songs, talk things over, and get into the Word. Right now, I'm reading Revelation and it's just been so amazing. Contrary to what most people might think, it has just brought me so much peace and joy. The next step in my routine is to do a morning workout by doing just a 10 to 20 minute exercise on my yoga mat in my room with an app on my phone. This helps boost my mood and gives me more energy when I would normally crash around 2 p.m. when the kids go down for a nap. It helps me to work during that time, and it also helps me sleep better at night. Making my bed in the morning helps me feel accomplished right at the beginning of the day, and it's proven to motivate you to be more productive, and also getting into a made bed promotes better sleep at night. Next, it's time to get ready. First, I brush my teeth with the Grin Natural Whitening Toothpaste. They are sponsoring this video, so huge thank you to them. I value having all natural products in my home, and I really love the look of these bamboo toothbrushes, which are also sustainable, and their floss picks are biodegradable. They have a really neat campaign going to get kids to brush their teeth more often and properly, which I'm really excited to share with you later on in the video. Meanwhile, there will be a link and a coupon code in the description box. I make it a point to put on day clothes and a simple makeup routine every single day. As a mama, busy with toddlers all day long, it really is important for me to feel a little bit more polished and put together and ready for anything for the day. It also helps me with motivation, and my days end up being a lot more productive. I only wash my hair every 3 days. It just takes too much time otherwise. So what I like to do with my day 3 hair is just pull it into a low messy bun by making a side ponytail and only pulling it through halfway to make a loop, and then I wrap the end of the hair around that and tuck it in my hair elastic. After that, I just play around with it a little bit and loosen up my hair on top of my head. Right at 8 a.m., my toddlers wake up and are just ready for the day, and I like to switch things up for breakfast. So right after I chopped some fruit this morning, we made pumpkin cream cheese muffins together. This recipe is delicious, but is cut way back on sugar, which equals a lot calmer children and a more peaceful day. I'll have the recipe listed down below. Baking is something that we love to do together for fun. It really helps them learn how to count and do simple math, but also to listen to mommy and follow instructions. These muffins are sprinkled on top with pumpkin seed, which is delicious, but the best part is the center, that is just some cream cheese mixed with a little flour and sugar and piped in the center. After breakfast, it's time to go into the bathroom and brush our teeth. And the reason I love using the Grin Natural brand is because they are made with natural ingredients with no chemicals or artificial sweeteners, which is something that is especially important for me with my children. I really want something that is safe and effective. This toothpaste is wonderful because they have a fluoride-free toothpaste for babies over 6 months who still swallow their toothpaste. It's much safer for them. And for the older ones, the toothpaste has a much lower dose of fluoride than other brands. My children love the little flossers. They are easy to use with smaller heads. They just love unpacking them themselves and using them. We are joining the 1 2 3 Grin campaign, which encourages proper oral care habits for children by 1 flossing once a day, 2 brushing 2 times for 2 minutes, and 3 getting a sticker reward at the end. My children really love this chart. They keep asking to do all of this, and once the chart is filled, we are going to do something really fun as a family. If you want to join the challenge with us, I will have a link down below and a coupon code, and I hope you guys will join us. After that, it's time to start the morning chores. I just quickly clean the kitchen after breakfast. Then I love to light a candle to just make the house feel cozy and smell wonderful. After that, I start doing my chore of the day, which is vacuuming, and that is the end of my morning routine. I hope you all really enjoyed watching this. If you did, please remember to like and comment and subscribe if you are not already. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having a wonderful fall morning, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.